Hello and welcome back to another video on my channel, and this will be a campus tour video in which I'll be taking you around this beautiful campus of Aiims Rishikesh. तो अभी वी आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स दी हॉस्पिटल एंड कॉलेज साइड एंड हमारे कॉलेज के बारे में एक यूनिक चीज़ ये है कि देयर आर 3 बिल्डिंग्स, मेडिकल कॉलेज, ओपीडी एंड हॉस्पिटल ब्लॉक, एंड तीनों डायमंड शेप्ड है एंड दे आर इंटरकनेक्टेड. And after these 3 buildings we have the emergency, trauma, and also Nescafe is there. So this is the building number 1, which is the medical college. Block A के बाद we have this block B, which is the hospital block. Block B के बाद we come to block C, which is the OPD block, and you see this round staircase. उसके बिल्कुल नीचे, that is ground floor पे, we have the hospital canteen there, and there's another fountain. Block C, and it is connected to the blood bank in the trauma center with this escalator sort of a thing. So with this we have covered one side of the campus, and now we'll see the mess and hostels and residential area along with the auditorium. अच्छा, वैसे you know what, being a student, if you are sick, so you don't have to go to the hospital by yourself. Like warden will call an ambulance, and the ambulance will take you here towards the emergency, so that you don't have to face the queues of the patient load here. Auditorium in which we are currently standing in, ये भी recently बना in the 2022 year, and इसका first event was our white coat ceremony, and we'll go and see what it looks like from the inside. Here is the restroom where people can change their costumes. एंड यहाँ पर ये डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ के फ्लैग्स इसलिए हैं क्योंकि रिसेंटली द इंटरनेशनल Y22 इवेंट टुक प्लेस इन आवर कॉलेज. These are the hostels, and this side we have the residential area, and also we have the gym here. Simco will cover separately, and now we'll move towards the hostel and mess side. So talking about the sports facilities, we have all the major sports that are being played here. तो अभी we'll be covering the courts सबसे पहले. So in the third and last part of this video, we'll be covering whatever there is on the गेट नंबर 3 वाली रोड. तो वैसे तो मेजर 3 ही चीज़ें हैं, जिम, आयुष की बिल्डिंग एंड मॉर्चरी. तो अभी हम आ चुके हैं बिल्डिंग नंबर 43 एंड बिल्डिंग नंबर 43 के सेकेंड फ्लोर पे वी हैव आवर जिम. I guess I should cover a little bit details about the gym. Its fees is 200 for MBBS students for a period of 3 months, and we have almost all the equipments here, and timings are also very convenient, like 6 to 10 in the morning, and for evening it's 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. So this is the mortuary behind me, and all the major autopsies are carried out here, and also second year में we will be having a forensic medicine के practicals here, because they teach us to do post-mortem, I guess. So this is it for today's video, and I don't know आज मैं कितने किलोमीटर चल चुकी हूँ to shoot this campus tour, and I think I've tried to cover each and everything. Still, in case you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section, and until next time, bye bye.